Hey guys, Get Level here, and today I'm going to show you how to add animated overlays to your live streams. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of messages and I hear you loud and clear. No more 20-minute videos to explain something simple. This is pretty simple. This video is going to be part tutorial and a little bit of advertisement because the products we're going to use in this video are products from my Gumroad page. That is gumroad.com/getlevel. So if you need overlays, go there and get some. Overall, they're really cheap and most of them are even free. But let's get right into the tutorial part. So, if you want to know how to add animated overlays, I'm guessing you already have a broadcasting program. You can choose between Streamlabs OBS, OBS Studio, or even XSplit, but I don't know how to use XSplit. Anyways, so I'm guessing you already know how to add a static overlay, one that it's not moving. And in this case, you would add an image source. So we go plus, click on image, click add source, name your source, add new source, and then go ahead and find your image. Except now we're not looking for an image, we're looking for something that's animated. So what you need to know is that most of the formats of animated overlays are .mov, those are mostly used for overlays that have transparency. .mp4, those are basically full screen, they do not have transparency. Or .avi. Usually OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS, they both support all those formats. One thing to keep in mind is that the .mov files, they are QuickTime files. So if your computer is having trouble either playing it in OBS or just playing it in general, go to Apple's website and download QuickTime. So I'm going to delete this image, we don't need it. So what you need to find both in OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS is media source. This is what we're going to use to import our videos. So you name your source, click on OK, and then locate the file. So for this example, we're going to be using my very own animated camera overlay pack, which comes with 6 animated camera overlays, just like the title says. We're gonna use this one. This one is broke. Actually, I want to go for my favorite, which is Raw Cat, because I really like the animation. So once you click open, it's gonna show you a preview of what it looks like. So this looks pretty good. Don't forget to click on loop. See what happened there? It just stopped playing, so it just disappeared because it's like a 6 or 7 seconds video. So click on loop to make sure that it plays endlessly. My animations are usually seamless, so you will not see when it starts looping most of the time. So we're gonna click here and we're gonna add this. So we're gonna make it big just to show you the example. So now that you have your camera overlay, you just need to add your camera, right? So I'm gonna click on the plus, I'm gonna go video capture device. This is where you find your webcam and such. Look, I have my webcam. I already have my webcam on cam 2. So I'm just gonna add an existing source. If you don't have any webcams on your scene already, you will have to go add new source. So this is my webcam. Alright, now I don't want my webcam to be on top of this. I actually want my webcam to be at the bottom. So I'm gonna drag this down. And now it's underneath it in a way. So we're gonna carefully place my webcam. Now if you're thinking, oh my god, this is out of bounds. Simple solution. You just have to hold Alt and click and drag on a corner to crop. And you're pretty much done. That's it. You have a webcam overlay. Now, if you want to add details, as you can see, there are many slots to add more stuff. So I'm going to do this, but I'm going to put it on a time lapse. So this is what it's gonna look like once you added all the text. I already had all the text sources, so they already have a filter that makes them scroll by. You will have to add a filter to make that happen. Now, of course, the first thing you're gonna think is, oh, what if I'm not satisfied with the color? This is bright red. Maybe my color scheme is not bright red. What can I do? Well, the answer is simple. So I'm just gonna scroll down here. I'm gonna go to media source. I did not give this a name. I should have. I'm gonna right click, go to filters, and then in filters, I'm gonna press plus. I'm gonna find color correction. This is the color correction filter. Click OK, and now you have a lot of options actually. You have gamma, contrast, brightness, saturation, hue shift, and this is where it gets important. So you're just gonna shift the hue. This is going to shift the color. And if you're not satisfied with the color you get, let's say you can't get a really bright yellow, what you can do is play with the saturation and the gamma. Let's go with that B, that black and yellow, look. See? Boom. Now it's yellow. I'm gonna add an image of, I don't know, of something in the background so you can really see what it looks like. Alright, so this is like a loot box from Overwatch, I believe, and this is what it would look like if you had everything. Of course, it would be, you should have it way smaller so people can actually see your gameplay, but this is a huge example of how you can play around with this. So now I'm just gonna show you what the rest of the specific camera overlay pack looks like, and then that's pretty much it. You guys already know how to add your animated overlays. So this is what Eero Tough looks like. Once again, you can just play around with the filter, have it be the color you want. So this one is called Esports Ready. Oh, it goes pretty well with my lights. I like it. This one is called Canary, spelled with a K, ends with a re. Alright, this one is called Laser with a Z. And this one is called the Brocaster. And this is what it looks in pink. I actually like this. I enjoy this a lot. So that's how you add animated overlays to your scenes for live streaming. If you guys have any questions, you can shoot me a tweet at level_photo on Twitter. You can also follow my Twitch channel. That's twitch.tv/getlevel. I did make all the assets in this video, and you can get them too at gumroad.com/getlevel. It really helps the channel out, knowing that I'm not making any money off YouTube anyways. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a little compliment in the comment section below. If you did not enjoy watching the video, also leave a comment letting me know what I can improve. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Get Level out.